Okay, everybody. I'm out here in North Carolina. Oh, weather is not wonderful. We have been snowed out and had all the holidays, and then it was just simply too cold to run the machinery. So I don't know. I come out to help and to help rebuild the roads and help myself a little, make some money because there's nothing going on back in the Nashville, Tennessee area either. So, but yeah, kind of struggling. Kind of struggling. Who else is struggling out there? I think there's a lot of people struggling. So, but I don't know. Hope this works out. So I don't know.